Hello everyone. This is gonna be something different. This is all my toy cars. It's basically for Dismania 65 and Sean Henry. So I know you two are the car collectors. And I want to unload some. So let me get down to the nitty gritty and show you what I have. I guess first one that calls it out gets it. So let me start out here. Here's some bigger stuff. This one's plastic. Don't know what company it is. This one is a Tootsie Toys. So that's older. This one is a hot rod. It's got a little scuffing up there, but that is a Hot Rods Majorette. And this is a remote control. I don't know if it works. This one's cool. It's got a little joystick and a pull thing. You pull the string out and it goes. This one is like another one of those, I think, has a pull string. Those are pretty cool. I know these are remote control deals from Disney. This one I know still works, or it did last time I tested it anyway. This one I don't know if it has a remote, but I don't have it. There's these little, I know this one's Cars. I'm not sure what this one is. It says Tonka, and this is Tonka. These are a couple little plasticky toys. Here's some parts for scenes or setups or whatnot, little signs and stuff. These, can't remember what these are, but they're like the plastic deals. This one I believe is a Buddy L. This is one of the Micro Machines, I believe, but it's kind of beat up. Looks like it has a little melt. Got a little too close to a fire or something, but if you wanted something for fodder or whatever. I'm not sure what these are. They're pretty old though. They're construction vehicles. These ones are I'm not really sure how to explain them, the lightweight. Feels like mostly plastic. This one feels like it has some heft. This one has some heft. This one has some heft. So some of them, it's like all but these two feel like they are heavier, so I'm not sure. There's a plane. Looks like it's missing its little tail thing. Another one. This thing, the handlebars broke off, but if you have some patience and some glue, you could fix it. These I think are cereal and fast food premiums. It's the helicopter. I know this one and the snowman are the ones you pulled down. Stuff doesn't work on this carpet for some reason. But yeah. Why did he stop working? I don't know, he might just be for display then. He worked before. There's some motorcycles. These two are from Ertl. There's a Thomas tank engine and a semi-truck. These are, I believe they're all Tommy. Jet skis and wind sail. This one still is attached to the board. It's a 2002 Nissan Skyline GTR. These are the really old hollow ones. These are the Matchbox. Police car. Yeah, I believe this one's missing the front wheel there. Still pretty cool. I think that's a Disney too. And another police vehicle. Oh, this, I don't know what these are. Looks like a camouflage truck and a little army van. These ones, I don't know, some of them I think are Hot Wheels, but they don't say it. A couple of them say Mattel, Malaysia, which are usually the Hot Wheels, but doesn't have the Hot Wheels logo on it. This one here is a Maisto, and this one just says PT Cruiser. And oh wait, skipped a section. These ones are the Yetming. There's a trailer and a little race car. Those are Yetmings. Okay, that's all those, and now the Hot Wheels. This is one of the bigger ones, and this one, not sure what this is missing. And there's that weird helicopter. It's a McDonald's, some police truck, motorcycle, whatever, race car, purple race car, old cruising vehicle, cool skull paint. Kind of wanted to keep that one, but I will pass it on. Datsun, whatever this thing is. This guy. This one, I believe this one's from the 70s. Most of these are from 70s to 90s, I believe. Some could be later than that, though. This one's cool. Some weird clear deal. Not really sure how you can explain these. I guess just tell me the time code and explain it the best you can. Or just one of you just say I want them all and take them off my hands. It's taking up space in my collection. And I don't really collect them, so I mean, I got a few that are my favorites that I'm not getting rid of, but for the most part, I don't really care about these. They are pretty cool, but I have to whittle down my collections. I've got way too much stuff, and if I can make another collector happy, so be it. And then there's 3 of these, so both of you can get one, and one can get 2 little ATV vehicles. And I also have a Hot Wheels case, which will hold as many as I can put in it. There you go. There is my toy car collection. So you guys pick and choose between you, or like I said, first one to the punch, say I want it all and take it. I don't care. I just want it out. Let me know. Peace.